In this video, we'll write a simple Java program. One of the simplest things a program can do is to display a message. And so typically you'll see the first program you write will be something that displays some sort of message. In Java, the way we do that is we use the system.out println function that will allow us to print out a message. Now, there's a lot of additional stuff you have with a Java program that you wouldn't see in a language like Python, or it's more than you would see in a language like C. We call that additional stuff boilerplate. It's just always there, and it all means something, and it's important for you to understand what it is. However, if this is your first Java program, then worrying about that is a little beyond what you need to focus on right now. And the good news is your IDE will usually be able to generate that for you, so you don't have to think about that when you're first learning to write Java code. Now, that is important. It's a good thing to learn about in the future, but for now, let's just focus on how we print our message because that's the focus of what we're trying to do. So here I have that boilerplate already created. We have a class called Hello World, and then we have a main function, which is where we put the code we want to actually run. So let's add our code. And if you'll recall, we want to say system.out.println, and you'll notice Eclipse is giving me hints as I go through saying, hey, do you want to try this? And you can always, once you see something that's what you're looking for, you can always click on that, but I'll go ahead and type it out from scratch here. Now, this is the function we're going to call, and we're going to give it something to print. And so we'll print the greeting, hello world. And then we end every line of code in Java with a semicolon. And this is our complete program. So if I press the run button up here, you'll notice that a console window opens at the bottom, and that has the message that we printed out. So that is our hello world program in Java. If you want to change what gets printed out, all you have to do is change the message that you pass to the println function. And while this seems like it's a simple example, this is an example that we're going to be able to build upon to create the rest of our Java programs.